Okay, mommy, go. Try it. Play with it. Yeah. There you go. Can I try? Can I try, mommy?
Whoa.
It's cool, right? It's upside down. Okay, go, mommy.
Ah. Okay.
There you go. It's so crazy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There.
There you go. Okay, mommy, let's unbox this one. The Slide Glider 360. Let's unbox it. What, Markson? Phone. The phone is ringing, huh? I wonder who that is. Okay, mommy, go.
Okay.
Instructions. Slide Glider 360. Okay, the Slide Glider is unboxed. Yeah, Markslin. Yeah. It's yours. Okay. Another 9-volt battery for the controller and 6 AA batteries for the car. $360 spin. 360 donut. Yeah. Donut 360 spin. Nice. Yeah. Whoa, it lights up. Whoa, it's fast. Wow, nice lights. Cool. Okay, mommy, play with it. Go. Yeah. Okay, the controller. Okay, mommy, play with it. Wow. What happened?
Again. Ooh.
Wow, that's cool. Nice. Cool, huh? Yeah. Look, mommy.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Oh. Whoa. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Can you make it run straight?
Oh, wait.
Wait. Okay, mommy, go. Turn it on, mommy. Okay, play with it one more time. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Go, mommy, don't stop. Don't stop. Go, mommy.
Wait, Fastlane.
Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah. Smash. Uh-oh. Yeah. Spinning 360. Donut.
Daddy.
Yeah. Press and hold that button. Okay, go, mommy. Bring it back here, mommy. Go. Yeah! Smash that! Smash that RC! The Hulk is mad! Hey! Yay! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah. Yeah.
Marcel.
Okay. Play with it, Markslen.
Okay.
Okay, control DRC, Markslen.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, mommy, how is your tummy? Getting bigger, huh? How many months now?
3 months and 1 week.
3 months and 1 week. Okay, cool. Hello, baby. Baby inside mommy's tummy. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, here we go. It's so crazy. Yeah. Marxlen wants to stop it. You want to shut it off, Marxlen? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Last. Yeah. Baby boy Marxlen. Wow, I see 2 boxes. RC cars again? Wow. Fastlane RC Tornado Force Stunt Series. Now this one here. Hey Marxlen. Hello. Hello baby boy. Hello. Okay. Fastlane RC Side Glider 360 Stunt Series. Wow, 2 RC cars. Cool. What, boy? You want to unbox it? You want to unbox it now? Yeah. Cool, huh? Tornado Force. Twisting axle action. Nice. The other one, mommy? Can I see the back of the box, please?
Okay.
Okay, now this one here. Side Glider 360. Wheels flip sideways. Spins clockwise and counterclockwise. Nice. Hey. Nice.
Wow.
Nice blue RC car, Marxlen. Yeah, boy. You have some rashes on your face. Okay. What else, mommy? What else do we need to know? Flip over stunt action. Okay, we need 6 AA batteries and 1 9-volt battery for the controller. Okay. You want to unbox it now, huh? Yeah? Okay, mommy, unbox it. He is excited.
It's me, baby.
Marxlen is excited. Hey, Mommy Rhea, how are you?
I'm good.
Alright. Okay, instructions. Okay. Alright. Nice. It looks like a tank. Yeah, kinda. Yeah.
Oh.
You're excited? He's so excited. Be patient, Marxlen. Be patient. Mommy's doing the best she can.
Yeah. Yeah.
Be patient, Marxlen. What? There you go, Marxlen. Nice. He's excited to play it. Well, actually, he's playing it now. Yeah, he's playing it. Yeah. That's an acrobatic car, Marxlen. Yeah. A stunt car. Fastlane RC Stunt Series. Okay, put the 9-volt battery.
Wait.
Mommy need to put batteries, Marxlen.
Yeah, wait.
Yep, she needs to put batteries. Okay, the controller. Okay. It's yours. It's yours.
How you doing?
Okay, putting the AA batteries. Alright. Okay. The batteries are installed. Okay, try it, mommy. Wow.
Huh?
Tornado.
Oh.
Don't be scared, Marceline. Wow, nice!
Wait.
What?